To install Ruby under macOS, you just need to download and install a Ruby package, or a Ruby installer, or you can compile Ruby from source. To obtain a Ruby package under macOS, you can use package managers, such as Brew or MacPorts. You can find linked cheat sheets on how to use both of these package managers in the video description. Using is rbenv and Ruby build to install Ruby. So why this choice? Because this allows the installation of multiple Ruby versions, so choose and select what is needed, when it is needed, and it does not require the usage of sudo, so everything is done locally for the user. To install rbenv Ruby under macOS, we will be following this tutorial, which link is found in the video description. Open the terminal. Execute the first command. Execute the following command. Execute the commands related to the shell you are using, be it bash or zsh. I'm using zsh, so I will be using the zsh commands. Edit your zsh or bash profile and add the provided text. Source zshrc or bash underscore profile. Create a directory for Ruby build, and clone it. Verify the success of having rbenv installed correctly by issuing the last command. As you see, we have a message that we did not install any version of Ruby. Next, what you have is a cheat sheet, which allows you to install the Ruby version that you want. To list the available versions of Ruby that can be installed, you can use the command rbenv install-l. To install a Ruby version, you can just use rbenv install, followed by the version number. For example, rbenv install 3.1.0. Ruby 3.1.0 installed, execute the rehash command to make the environment aware. To list the available Ruby versions, you can use rbenv versions. So in this case, there is System Ruby, which is the default, and Ruby 3.1.0, which we just installed. You can additionally set the global version of Ruby to be used by issuing rbenv global, followed by the version number. So to set Ruby 3.1.0 as the default global version, you can use rbenv global 3.1.0. You can find additional commands on this page. To check that everything is working, run ruby-v. This will display the version of Ruby that you are using. Additionally, let us write a wink message, so using IRB, which is interactive Ruby, let us puts to the screen a wink.